Hello guys, now I am going to explain about coding and decoding for SSC. Here you have to know about letters, that is from alphabetical letters A to Z, and in what series it is going on. That is, for A it is 1, and for B it is 2, for C up to Z it is total 26 letters. Because in this exam SSC, especially in this topic coding decoding, you will get in the letters, you have to play in the letters and numbers, so that you have to remember this table. Let's move on to the question. In a certain code, town TOWN is written as POSV, and care CARE is written as BFBQ. Similarly, how is belt BELT written in that code language? Options are FUAK, DSCM, DSAK, FUCM, none of this. First, write down the example, that is for town, they are written as POSV. First, you have to think in what way these terms are related. And also for care, it is written as BFBQ. So similarly, what is for BELT? What's the code language? For that, you have to know this table. That is total. For A it is 1, and for H it is 8. So you have to, this table should be in your mind. Please note down this table. Please take pen and paper and note down this table. Okay, if you observe T, so it is forward or preceded by which term? You have to identify. So it is T is preceded by S. So you have to think like that. So T is related to S, that is preceded. That means minus 1. One term decreasing. And also for O, check for O. It is related to forward and preceded. That is next term and last term. So next term is P. That is, it is increasing, OP. That means here it is plus 1. And for W, like that, for W it is related to V, and X is not there, so V is there. So W, that means preceding one, last term, decreasing. For N it is O and M. So for N it is O, that is next term, increasing one. That means first and the third one are element, and second one and fourth element are combination. Okay, similarly for care, you have to follow this one, first and third one in the same pattern like this town. So similarly A and E, it is for increasing or decreasing. Let us see. First and third one is increasing. Sorry, first and third are preceding. Okay, for C it is preceding term is B, and for third one R, it is preceding term for R is Q, and for second and fourth term it is increasing. After A it is B, and after E it is F. So you have to see the preceding and forward steps, that is backward and next terms. Okay, similarly for belt, first and third one it is backward. That means for B it is A, preceding term is A. So similarly for L, it is K. Preceding term for L is K. And for L, after that, second and fourth element. After E, it is F. And after T, it is U. So the right pattern is FUAK. That is option 1. Like this, you have to see the table and you have to compare in what terms it is going on. Sometimes in some problems, it may give the gap. That is second term. It may relate it to E and G like that. Plus 2. So or minus 2 E and C like that. You have to see the pattern in what way it is going on. It is increasing by 1 or decreasing by 1 or increasing by 2 terms or decreasing by 2 terms. Like that you have to note down. Also here remember first and third are in this. First and third element are decreasing and second and fourth element are increasing by next digit or next letter. So here the right answer is FUAK. Next question. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace into sign and to balance the given equation. The given equation is 5 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 0. So the first option is into, divide, minus, equal, plus, minus, divide, equal, minus, minus, plus, equal, minus, into, plus, equal. So here you have to put these options and verify. If you are a smart student, you can do it by what without writing pen and paper, because it is asking in the fourth option, sorry, in the fourth term, if you observe it is equal, so then it should be equal. That is LHS is equal to RHS. It should be equal. So here you have to apply BODMAS condition. BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this pattern only you have to apply this rule, BODMAS rule. This is very very important. Please remember. So 5 into 3, let me go with the first option. 5 into 3 divide by 3 minus 5. 5 into 3 divide by 3 into minus 5 is equal to 0. You have to balance this. Here 3 cancel. 5 into 1 minus 5. 5 into 1 means 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is balanced. In the first condition only, it is balanced. That is in the first option only. If you get in the first option only, no need to check in the option 2, 3 and 4. You can go to the next question. If you still have a time in exam, you can go and check with the option 2, 3 and 4. So you have to mainly remember in this question, it is BODMAS rule. Next question. In a certain code, clear is written as SBFMD and BONDS bonds is written as TEOPC. Similarly, how is stale STALE written in the code language? Options are BKZSR, CUTFM, SUBMF, FMBUT, none of this. Okay, as I told earlier, for this type of problem, you have to write down and based on the this table, you have to check in what pattern it is going on. For clear, it is written as SBFMD, and for BONDS bonds, it is written as TEOPC, and similarly, this TAL is written as what? Okay, if you observe here, after E it is F, that means increased by one term, middle term, and after N it is increased by O, so it is increased by 1. Usually for odd terms, here it is there are total 5 letters. So usually for 3, 5, 7, that you will get a middle terms. So that middle terms usually it is a related to that middle one only. That means in that pattern here it is middle one is E and here it is F, and here it is in the second one bonds, N is the middle one, and here O, in this TEOPC it is O. So after that, after A it is, so next term is after A is B, so it is related like this, and after R it is S, and L it is M, and after C it is D. So that we clearly we can say that it is increased by one terms. So after D it is E, and after S it is T, and after O it is P, and after B it is C. That means from right to left. Clearly we can say that it is going from right to left. Okay. For E it is, after E it is F. Simple, it is very simple. It is increased by one term from right to left. See here, observe, after E it is F, and after L it is M, and after A it is B, and after T it is, next term is S, and after S it is, sorry, after T it is U, and after S it is T. So that the right answer is FMBUT. So it is clear. It is from right to left, increased by one terms. So right answer is option 4. Next question. In a certain code, TASK is written as BUJR and BIND is written as JCCM. How is SUIT written in the code language? Options are BTSH, BSTH, TRUJ, TRJU, none of this. Here TASK is written as BUJR and BIND is written as JCCM. So in the same way, what is SUIT? Suit. So here if you observe, after A it is B and after T it is U. So it is related to two terms. After S it is R, and after K it is, sorry, it is preceding ones. After R it is S, and after J it is K. See here, J and K are decreasing, and R and S are decreasing. That is preceding terms. Here after A it is B, it is increasing ones. First two terms are increasing and next two terms are decreasing. Okay, after I it is J, and after B it is C, and of preceding N is M. So preceding to D is C. That is previous term is C for D. Here we can say that first two terms is increasing and next two terms are decreasing. So here also same, that first two are increasing, after U it is V, and after S it is T. So in exam, if you don't have a time, just compare first two terms, first two letters VT. Here VT is starting only with option 1. So easily you can put option 1 is the right answer. Like that also you can do. Like here only in the TASK it is written as BUJR. So in the first two terms only it is written as BU. So here also BI is increasing. So you can check with the only S and U. So we will get V and T. Here V and T first two terms is only in option 1. So that you can do like this, or else you can check with last two terms. Like that also you can do. It saves time if you do like that. In exam, if you saves time. Okay, preceding to T is yes, and previous to I is H. So that VTSH is the right one. Here you came to know that first two terms are increasing by 1 and last two terms are decreasing by 1 letter. Next question. Select the correct combination of mathematical sign to replace star sign and to balance the given equation. 12 star 3 star 4 is equal to 6 star 6 star 8. First option, plus minus into plus minus into plus into minus into plus, none of this. Okay, for this you have to check 12 plus 3, like that. In exam you don't need to write anything, just by applying this condition you can balance this. LHS is equal to RHS, it should be equal. Like the 12 plus 3 is 12 plus 3 into 4, but you have to apply BODMAS here. Yeah, first division, next multiplication, after addition, lastly it is subtraction. Okay, I'll write down and show you. This is first option. 12 plus 3 into 4 is equal to 6 minus 6 into 8. So second option, 12 into 3 plus 4 is equal to 6 minus 6 into 8. Third option, 12 into 3 plus 4, that is equal to 6 into 6 minus 8. 6 into, sorry, 12 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 6 into 6 plus 8. So here 12, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 12, 24. You have to apply BODMAS. 6 eights are 48. 6 minus 48, it is minus 42. It is not balanced. Let me check with the second one. 12 3 is a 36 plus 4, it is 40. 6 eights are 48. 6 minus 48 is minus 42. It is also not balanced. 12 3 is a 36 plus 4 is 40. 6 6 are 36 minus 8 is minus 28. It is also not balanced. 12 3 is a 36 minus 4 is 32. 6 6 are 36 plus 8 is 44. So here none of this is the right answer because all these four conditions are not satisfied. That is LHS is equal to RHS, it is not done. So right answer is option 5, none of this. Next question. In a certain code language, LISP is coded as MJTQ. Similarly, PLAN is coded as QMBO. How will FORT to be coded in the same code language? Options are ENSQ, GPUS, ENQS, GPSU, none of this. LISP is coded as MJTQ, PLAN is coded as QMBO, FORT is coded as what? So after L it is, if you observe this table, in every slide I am putting this table because you have to remember this table. Okay, please note down this table, this is very important. Okay, after L it is M increased by 1, and after I it is J, it is also increased by 1, and after S it is T, it is increased by 1, and for P, after P it is Q. So it is increased by, each term is increased by 1. So let me check with the second one. After P it is Q, and after L it is M, after A it is B, and after N it is O. So here it is very simple. Each term is increasing order, and after F it is G, and after O it is P. So first two terms is G and P, and last two terms here, after R it is S, and after T it is U. So option 2 is the right answer. Here each term is increased by next letter. You have to check whether it is increased by one letter or decreased by one letter or increased by two letters or decreased by two letters. You have to see that in the table. Next question. Given below are capital letters in the first line and symbols in the second line. Symbols and letters are code for each other. So choose the correct order for the word XEROX. In these two rows, first row is a capital letter. For that, it is coded in the symbol. Like for P, it is coded as plus, and for T, it is coded as minus, and for X, it is coded as divide. A, it is into, Z equals, and for O, it is a open bracket, and for C, it is a closed bracket, and for H, it is a open flower bracket. So like that, it is given for each letter. For that letter, code is symbol is the code language. For this, options are divide, delta, uppercase, divide, close bracket, minus, delta, exclamatory mark, percentage, and divide, delta, uppercase, open bracket, divide, plus, hashtag, uppercase at exclamatory mark, divide, uppercase, delta, open bracket, closed bracket. Here also you no need to write anything on the paper. Just by observing the letter, you have to decide the options, which is the right one. Let's see with the first and the second letters. This is the trick you have to use. So for any term, if they given like this, first you have to see the first letter, last letter, and middle letter. So usually these three are varied. If you observe first these three letters, easily you can identify the option. No need to check each and every letter. It consumes time. If you do like this, it is very easy. In a less time, you will get the answer. Okay, let me check with the first and the last one. Both are X. So for from the table for X, it is divide. So first and the last one is divide. That is option 3. See, easily we can within 2 seconds we get the answer for this. So please use this trick. Please write down this in your paper and book. So no need to check the remaining one. It is obviously it is the right one. So right answer is option 3. Next one, same table but the letter is different. TP-Link. It is a TP-Link. TP-Link, it is a Wi-Fi router name. And for this options are, first option minus plus uppercase divide close bracket and, second option minus plus and open bracket exclamatory mark closed flower bracket, third option divide delta uppercase and open bracket divide, fourth option minus plus and closed bracket exclamatory mark closed flower bracket, last option plus minus delta and close bracket open bracket. Here also use the trick, that is what I told earlier, first letter, last letter and middle letter. Okay, first one is T and last one is K. For T it is minus, so and the last one for K it is closed flower bracket. So here last one 2 and 3 are same, minus and closed flower bracket. So here the only change is fourth term. Let me see what is the fourth term, that is I. Let me check with that I. For I it is a open bracket, that is option 2 is the right answer. Next question, in a certain code language CROWNED is written as PSDVEFO. How will streams STREAMS be written in the same code language? Options are SITDBNT, TUSDTNB, SUTFINB, QSRDTNB, none of this. For crowned, it is written as PSDVEFO. And for streams, what is the code language? Okay, as I told earlier, for 3 letters, 5 letters, and 7 letters like that, you have to check first what is the middle letter going on. So for W is the middle one. For W, check what is the preceding and exceeding terms. That is V and X. Here V is there. That is for the middle term. It means it is decreasing by one letter. Like this, you have to check from the table. Okay. After that, check after C. It is C. What are for C? Check whether B or D is related. It is related. D letter is there, so that we can say that it is increasing by one letter. And after R it is Yes, it is also increasing by one letter, and after O it is P. It is also increasing by one letter. So let me check with the other three options. After D it is E, after E it is F, and after N it is O. So we can say that here also it is increased by one terms. So same apply to the streams. After for E, middle term is E. So before E, D will come. So the middle one is D. Okay. No need to check all this. First, let me see what are the options which is in D. Okay, here three options are, middle letter is D. And let me check with the first option because all three are different. Okay, after R it is, see here, you have to see in this pattern. This also important in what pattern it is going on. Sometimes it will be for three letters, it is like this, or it will be like this from right to left. These are the patterns. Please note down, or else it should be like this. So these are the patterns. Please note down. In these patterns, it is going on usually for the three terms. Okay, here after R it is yes. So the first term is yes. Okay, here the first term is yes. Okay, here also none of this is there. If there is a none of this, please check all the remaining terms. Sometimes it may, so the right answer is maybe none of this. So after T it is U. Here the second term should be U. Here it is I. So it is wrong. So the right answer is none of this. So the right pattern for this is after S it is T, and after here also after S it is T, after M it is N, and after A it is B. So this is the right pattern which is not given in the option. So none of this is the right answer. Next question. Some questions are solved on the basis of a certain system. So find the correct answer for the unsolved question on that basis. So this is the pattern. 4 into 6 into 9 is written as 694. Also 5 into 3 into 2 is written as 325. So similarly in the same way 7 into 8 into 2 will be what? Options are 729, 872, 827, 279. So what is the right answer? Okay, here if you observe, no need to write anything on the pen and paper. All these three terms are related to, so LHS is what? RHS. Both are same terms. Sorry, same numbers. Here also 532, it is 325. Same numbers. Okay, let me check. So here 6 is the first term, and after that 9 is the second term. So lastly it is 4. So it is in a pattern of 312. 312. So first one is what? 3. So second one is 2, and third number is 5. So here also 312 pattern. First one is 8, and second one is 2, and third number is 7. So it is in a pattern of 8 to 7. It is 8 to 7, option 3. So you have to see the in what pattern it is going on. Here it is in a pattern of 3-1-2. Sometimes it is in a pattern of 3-2-1, or it is 1-2-3, or 1-3-2, like that, or 2-1-3, or 2-3-1. Anything can be given. Just you have to see in what pattern it is going on. Okay. So right answer is option 3. Next question. In a certain code, BEAN is written as ABNE and SALE is written as LSEA. So in the same code language, how is NEWS written in that code language? Options are WNES, WNSE, SNWE, SNEW. None of this. So here BEAN is written as ABNE. Also SALE is written as LSEA. NEWS is written as what? Okay. If you observe here, if you observe, all letters are related to this. That means same letter is repeating. Like the earlier number problem, there same numbers are repeating. Here same letters are repeating. Here also if you observe SALE, here also SALE. Okay. So in what pattern it is going on? Let me check. Here it is a first term it is A, and next one second one it is B, and third one it is N, and last one it is E. That means it is in a pattern of 2-4-1-3. Let me check with the second one. 2-4-1-3 pattern. One is L, yes it is correct, and two is S, yes it is also correct, and three is E, also correct, and last one A. Yes, it is in a pattern of 2-4-1-3. 2-4-1-3. Okay, first one is W, second letter is N, and third one S, and fourth one it is E. So WNSC, option 2. Sometimes it may be in the pattern of 2-4-3-1, or 2-4 2-3-1-4, or 2-3-4-1, or 3-4-1-2, 3-4-2-1, or 3-2-1-4, like that. Anything, any pattern is possible. Just you have to identify the letters in what pattern it is going on. If you practice these problems, it is very easy. All these problems are available in our website EduRapid. Please log in and solve all the problems. You will get more problems. For this, right answer is option 2. Next question. In a certain code, TWICE is written as 3-4 $5 delta, and WEARS is written as 4 delta 29 percentage. So similarly, how is SEAT written in that code language? Options are percent 2 delta 3, percentage delta 2 3, percentage delta 4 3, percentage $2 3. None of this. So here, if you observe the question or observe the letters S, E, A, T, it is repeated from this two letters. That is, S is here and E also here, A also here from, and T is here from the first letter. That is twice, first word. So just here it is comparison. You have to comparing two words to solve. No need to write anything on the pen and paper. For S, it is percentage, and for T, it is 3. Use the concept what I told, the first and last letters. For S, it is percentage, and for T, it is 3. Here for T, it is 3, and for E, here it is E. For last term twice. For E, it is delta, and let me check here. Where's WERS for second term E, and here also second one is delta. So that for E it is delta, and for A, here in the where's third term is A, and here the for the third term it is 2. So it is in this form. Percentage delta 2 3, that is option 2. For your sake of understanding, I wrote down this explanation. In exam you no need to write anything, just by seeing the question you have to select the right answer. Next question. Let j is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, l equals m, l equals 5, m equals 7, n equals 11, o equals 13, and p equals 17. So find the letter to be inserted in the box in the given relation. Bracket of n into question mark plus m plus k equals 31. Here you have to check which letter will lie in this question mark so that it balance the equation. LHS equals RHS. LHS should become 31. So options are L, P, J, O, none of this. Here also none of this is there. So you have to check for the all options. First option, bracket of, for n it is 11 into question mark. Okay, for question mark you have to, for option 1 we are checking, that is L. For L it is 5. 11 into 5 plus m means 7 plus k means 2 equals 31. Here you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Bracket of. Okay, after that division multiplication. 11 5 is 55. 55 plus 7 it is 62 plus 2 it is 64 equals 31. So it is not balanced. Let me check with the second option. 11 into P means 17 plus M means 7 plus K means 2, that equals 31. 11 into 17. 11 into 17 is 170 plus 11, that is 181. 181 plus 7, 188. 188 plus 2 is 190. 190 equals 31. It is also not balanced. Let me check with the third option. J. For J it is 1. 11 into 1 plus M is 7 plus 2 equals 31. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 is equal to 31. It is also not balanced. Let me go with the fourth option. 11 into For O it is 13 plus 7 plus 2 equals 31. 11 into 13, that is you have to split 130 plus 13, that is 143. 143 plus 7 it is 140. 140 plus 2 it is 142 equals 31. Like this you have to do mental calculation, no need to write 11 into 13, what 3 ones are 3, 3 into, like this is not the right method. So you have to mentally calculate it like this. You have to split 11 into 13 means mentally you have to 10 plus 1. For 11 you have to split 10 plus 1 into 13. 13 into 10 it is 130 plus 13 plus 1 is 13. It should be directly you have to go with this step. You have to split here only in your mind. In later class I will discuss that. So here all four are not balanced. So for this the right answer is none of this. Next question. In a certain code, BUILT is written as 5 hashtag 32 at and TRIBE is written as at 935 copyright. So how is RULE written in that code language? So options are 9 hashtag 2 copyright, 9 5 hashtag copyright, at hashtag 3 copyright, at 2 copy sorry at 2 hashtag copyright, none of this. Here also if you observe RULE, it is repeated here RULE. So just by comparing that you will solve the option. For R it is second term, for R it is 9, first term is 9, so only with the first and the second one. And for E it is, sorry, let me go with the second one, U. For U it is BUILT, it is the second term and here it is quoted as hashtag, that is option 1 is maybe the right one. Let me check here, it is none of this is there, don't take the risk. For L it is 2, it is also right, and for E it is last term E, it is copyright. Yes, option 1 is the right answer. From this, by comparing these two terms you can see what are the repeated terms in that and identify the what is the code for that. Next question. In a certain code language, play the music is coded as 934. Similarly, live music concert is coded as 542 and play guitar live is coded as 238. So what will be the code of guitar in the given code language? Options are first one either 3 or 9, second option 8, third option either 2 or 3, fourth option 2, fifth option 3. Here also you no need to write anything on the pen and paper, just by comparing the terms you can answer. Here they are asking what is the code for guitar. Okay, let me check the guitar term in the three code languages. Here in the first one it is not there. Here it is play the music. In the second one also it is not there, live music concert. Here in the third one it is present, that is guitar. So in the 237 you have to check which one it is not there in the these two terms. Let me go with the 2. 2 it is not present in the first one and it is present in the second statement. So it is wrong. Let me check with the 3. 3 it is present in the first statement, so it is also not there. Let me check with 8. 8 is not present in the first statement and also not present in the second statement. So we can conclude that for guitar 8 is the right number. That is option 2. You have to compare like this. In given statements, you have to identify and tell me the right answer. Next question in the same pattern. Their new pencils is coded as 731. Similarly, box of pencils is coded as 352 and their wooden box is coded as 951. So what will be the code for wooden in the given code language? Options are 5, 9, either 5 or 9, either 1 or 9, 1. So here also compare that what is the code for wooden. So wooden is not there in the first statement, and also not there in the second one, only present in the third statement. Let me check with the numbers 9. 9 is not there in the first statement, it is 731, and here also it is not present here, it is 352. So 9 is a possibility. Let me check with the 5. 5 it is not there in the first statement and it is there present in the second statement. So it is not possible. So let me check with the 1. 1 is present in the first statement, so it is also not possible. So for wooden, 9 is the right term. That is option 2. Next question. In a certain code language, FLUTE is coded as HJWRG and GIANT is coded as IGCLV. In the same code language, how will PLOTS be coded as? Options are RJMVU, NUMRQ, QMPUT, NNMVQ, RJQRU. So for this, you have to remember the table. For FLUTE is coded as HJWRG and GIANT is coded as IGCLV. So in the same way, PLOTS is coded as what? Okay, let me check with the first one. F. After F or before F, what are the terms? D, E, F, G and H. So let me go with F and H. It is increased by 2 terms. So of let me go with L. After, so it is plus 2 or minus 2, I think. So plus 2 it will become N, and for L, and for minus 2 it will become J. Yes, it is J minus 2. So it will be in the pattern of plus 2 minus 2, I think. Let me check with the U. Yes, for U it is W plus 2 and for T it is minus 2. Minus 2 means decreased by or what? Previous 2 letter, and after E it is G. So it is in the pattern of plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. So let me go with this one, plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 and plus 2. So after P, so for P it is R. So R is present in first and the fifth option. So it is vary with the third letter. Let me check with O. It is plus 2. For O it is Q. So Q is present in the fifth one. So here none of this not present. So no need to check the remaining one. Just put option 4 is the right answer because first one and first letter and middle letter are matching. Next question. Some equations are solved on the basis of a certain system find the correct answer for the unsolved equation on that basis. If 8 into 2 equals 61, also 8 into 5 equals 04, then what is 8 into 10 equals? Options are 80, 08, 8, 0. Here also you no need to write anything on the pen and paper. Just by analyzing the terms you can identify. See here 8 twos are, it is 16. So just reverse the term, it is 61. So here 8 fives are, it is 40. Just reverse the term, it is 04. It is 8 twos are, it is 16. So you have to just reverse. Here the hint is reverse. Here 8 tens are 80. So if you reverse this, it becomes 08. That is option 2. It is very simple. Also here it is a reverse pattern. In sometimes you may get with after reversing addition or subtraction or multiplication, division, like that you will get. Next question. If 4267 equals 10 and 3374 equals 9, then what is 4255? Options are 12, 10, 20, 8, none of this. Okay, here 4267 equals 10. Okay, here let me see what are the patterns. Let me check with the first and the third one. 4 into 6 minus 2 into 7. Let me see this. 6 fours are 24 minus 7 twos are 14. Yes, it is 10. Like this pattern, it is going on. You have to check the trial and error method. What are the pattern it is going on? Here it is into minus into. This is the pattern. Sometimes it may be examples. These are the examples I am giving. It is pattern plus minus plus or into divide plus or plus minus into. So anything it is possible. You have to check the trial. Also it is a first and third element related with second and fourth elements or numbers. Let me check with the 3374 equals 9. First and third element 3 into 7 minus 3 into 4. 7 3 is a 21 minus 12. It is 9. Yes, it follows. So similarly, what is 4 to double 5? First and third element minus second and fourth element. 4 5 is a 20 minus 5 2 is a 10. It is 10. So option 2 is the right answer. You have to practice more problems, then you will get the grip of this type of problems. All these problems are available in our website EduRapid. So please follow and log in. So these are the pattern. Next question. If 3 plus 5 equals 5, 4 plus 7 equals 8, 8 plus 7 equals 6, then what should 9 plus 6 be? Options are 4, 9, 5, 6, none of this. So here also you have to do trial and error method. 3 plus 5 equals 5. So let me go with the multiplication. 3 5 is 15. So last digit is 5, I think. Let me check with the second one. 4 plus 7 equals 8. 4 7 is 28. Yes. Here the pattern is multiplication plus last term. So in examples I am giving, you will get as addition plus last term, or subtraction plus last term, division plus last term. Also, it is not only last term, sometimes they may give first term like that. So you have to do trial and error method. But it is very simple. If you practice, you will get the grip. Let me check with 9 plus 6. 9 into 6, it is 6 nines are 54, and the last term is 4. So option 1 is the right answer. Okay guys, here I covered almost all the types of coding and decoding for SSC exams. Many problems are available in our website EduRapid. Please log in and download the PDF. There you will get the plenty of questions. Please go and solve that. Thank you.